Hi, I just want to share some information with people who own a GMC Yukon 2005 Denali. I had a problem with electric. What happened was I left my car with the light on, and of course the battery went dead. After I jumped it, I had a problem with my electric, which is I had a chance to start the car, but when I went inside, I realized that my door locks, my cluster stopped working, the AC stopped working, the windows stopped working. So what I did, of course, I was checking all the fuses. So I came, here where all the fuses are. So I checked all of them. So they were okay. So then I was trying to see if there is any other place that has fuses. So I went to YouTube to see if I can find where the problem was. So I found something where it's almost similar to this problem, but they all say to go and check a fuse that was 125 amps fuse and solve their problem. But I was trying to see if I have that fuse. I couldn't find it, and then I went and I found another fuse box, which was here. So I opened it and I checked the fuses here. Everything was fine. I found one small fuse that was 15 amp. It was blown up, but I don't know what that was for. So what happened, I just went and checked more to see if there's any other fuses. So I didn't find anything. So what I did, I just disconnect all the terminals from the battery completely, waited like 2 minutes, put it back, and after I did, everything started working again. The radio back, the AC back, the windows back. So the door lock, I couldn't do it. So even when I do this, so everything is working fine. So hopefully this video is helpful for some of you. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.